نعم.
تفضل عبد الله، مساء الخير.
اهلا، مساء الخير الاخ خالد، اهلا وسهلا بك.
تفضل. خاطب الان، عندك ضيف او ممكن تتكلم كذا مع من يتكلم اللغه الانجليزيه؟
ان شاء الله.
تفضل.
ان شاء الله. لدي الاخ ضيف معي مساعد مدير دائره الترقبات التغيرات الجوية أو التنبؤات الجوية، الأخ خالد بن خميس الجهوري، سوف يأتي بعد قليل بالحقيقة. ولكن في البداية أود بس أن أعطي التقرير التي صدر من قبل الدائرة هنا، وهي التقرير طبعا باللغة الإنجليزية.
تفضل.
The weather system of Arabian Sea warning number 2. Latest satellite images and numerical weather's prediction charts indicate the tropical cyclone phet over Arabian Sea has intensified and moved farther towards Oman coast. It centers at 1800 local, located near latitude 18.5 degrees north and longitude 59.5 degrees east. Phet is around 220 kilometers some time ago. At this particular time, it might be even less than that, away from the Masira Island, with the nearest mass of the convective clouds around 100 kilometers away. Maximum sustained wind speed around the center are estimated to be around 165 kilometers. Of course, phet is expected to continue its movement into northwesterly direction towards Sharqiya coast in the next 24 hours with 10 kilometers per hour, associated with the heavy thunder showers accompanying with the strong winds. Muscat Governorate and the Dakhiliya region might be affected by the convective cloud. People, of course, in the affected areas are to take precautions on the low lands from following wadis because of the heavy rain. And of course, the fishermen are also advised to be precautious as seas are expected to be rough along the Sultanat's coastal areas, especially the coastal areas of the Arabian Sea, as wave heights may reach up to 8 meters. And at this particular time, allow me to welcome Mr. Khalid. Mr. Khalid, of course, is the Deputy Director, and he'll introduce himself, and he will give us the details of the latest development of the tropical cyclone. As we've said from the beginning that it was northeasterly this particular morning, but then it moved northwesterly, and we do hope that sometime tomorrow it might change its particular vertical direction again. But more to be said is by the specialist here. Mr. Khalid, welcome.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abdullah. Like you said, the system is currently classified as a tropical cyclone, category 2 tropical cyclone. Estimated surface winds around the cyclone center is estimated to be around 165 kilometers per hour. The movement of the cyclone, as can be seen on the satellite images, the tropical cyclone is still moving in a northwesterly direction towards Masira Island and Al-Sharqiya coast and Al-Wusta coast. As far as the forecast is concerned, during the next 24 hours, heavy thunder showers are expected over Masira Island, Al-Sharqiya region, Al-Wusta region. The 40-hours outlook from Thursday evening up to Saturday evening, we expect the rains to extend to cover Muhafazat Muscat and Al-Dakhiliya region.
Well, as what has been said, those are the details actually of the changes expected. And as what has been said, that heavy rains and very heavy rains are expected in the next, 24 hours to 40 hours, as what has been said. So it's very important for everyone, citizens, residents, visitors of this beautiful country, to take precautions of not going to such places like the seaside and other places where the wadi flows in that particular area. Are there other areas that you would like to mention before we conclude our interview here?
Yes, we ask everybody to take this tropical cyclone very seriously. We repeat once again, fishermen and sea riders are advised not to go into the sea. Like we said, we are expecting heavy thunder showers that will cause wadi flows. People are advised to avoid low-lying areas and wadi areas. Like we said also, the rains will be also accompanied by strong winds. Therefore, everybody is advised to take necessary precautions.
Well, that was Mr. Khalid again. Mr. Khalid, of course, he is Assistant Director of the Forecasting and Observing Practices at the Directorate General of Meteorology and Air Navigation. Mr. Khalid, thank you very much. Once again, back to you, Mr. Khalid, there. And I just would like to mention that some time ago, of course, in your program, we have seen His Excellency the Inspector General speaking and explaining about the changes which are going to happen, but also the preparation that are made. People are ready, concerned authorities are ready for actually providing all the assistance required. Again, Mr. Khalid, you also have mentioned and also you have interviewed His Excellency the Minister of Health, and he also has mentioned, His Excellency, the preparations from the Ministry of Health. And as it's been said, all the schools are there ready for the people actually to go and be evacuated to those particular places when the needs arise. Once again, back to Mr. Khalid there.
شكرا زميلنا عبد الله الربيعي متواصل كان على